Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's a bright day and I'm very happy to make this video. As you can see, this video is an upgrade to Lagos, to Nigeria. And as you can see, the Lagos state are already installing smart CCTV street light traffic lights. Sorry for that. So this is actually, as you can see, the road is well organized. Look, everyone is stopping because if you don't stop, this is gonna record your car number, your plate number, color, car, and track you, and definitely you're gonna be get down to your location. And so these amazing projects, because as you can see, there are no longer police at the road for controlling the cars, telling them stop, don't stop. They don't do that anymore. You just have to drive what's on your mind, then you're gonna pay the fine. It's amazing, man. So tell me what you think. Let me still show you more concerning this project right here in the video. The Lagos state government has begun the installation of smart traffic light system in Lagos, Nigeria, which will also help reduce the stress of keeping officers on the express to control traffic. And this will also help control traffic and help people get organized, especially drivers on the highway. Lately, Lagos has been a place that is very busy with lots of drivers and vehicles moving on the road without paying attention to the security system and the traffic lights. This is the part where the traffic light has been installed, and that's why the road is well organized. Like, there are some places where it hasn't been installed yet. Those ones people still don't pay attention because they know they are not yet there, so they still drive the way they want. But this part that it has been installed, you see the road is well organized. Like, you can't even drive and drop plastic out from your car. Before, people do that, they drive and maybe eating something, they just drop it out of their car. But now you can't do that anymore, because once you do it, it captures your plate number and real time. They're not just coming to find you. It will be recorded. Anywhere you go to, are definitely gonna be booked, and actually your car is gonna be seized if you don't pay the fine and if you don't remit yourself. It's an amazing thing. So this is. This new development actually started on the island part of Lagos, and it is moving forward to the mainland, places like Surulere, Ikeja, Gbagada, and the rest. These are areas where population are very high, and traffic lights are also needed in such areas to make sure the movements are afloat and also moving perfectly fine without accidents and other faculties or incidents that might occur on the road. Looking at this area, you see that the traffic light here has been installed with a smart traffic system, which makes it very easy to control. And also, most of these traffic lights, let me tell you, when they notice that there's a congestion on the other side, they automatically switch the signal to reduce the traffic on those sides, which is making it very easy. And aside from being used to capture people who doing the wrong things on the road, like who don't obey the traffic signals and those who littering things away from their cars on the road. Aside from that, this traffic light is also a good one because the way it helps in improving traffic flow around the city is a need to be studied. And also, there has been new demolitions around this area of Lagos, which is really helping because of it was said to be due to drainage issues, and these buildings also block the drainage way, and those buildings need to be demolished for the drainage to be constructed properly and also help the ease of water flow. You know, Lagos is a state very close to the ocean, so flooding should never be something to be taken easy with, because high rise of flooding might lead to high rise of property loss and also maybe loss of other things that we would definitely not want to lose. So looking at this area, you see how beautiful this area is, and these are places where the traffic lights installation has been done. Let me tell you, aside from the traffic light installation that has been installed in Lagos, Nigeria, there are also some interesting things you might want to know concerning Lagos, like the new solar powered street lights, which will provide light all over the city constantly without shutting down. This will also eliminate the risk of getting robbed and also dangerous things happening at night in some areas, especially areas that are very or highly populated. I don't want to mention name, but we know those areas. So the installation of this solar and also powered security lights will help boost the safety of people and also help everyone gain confidence moving around Lagos at night or anytime in the evening. So moving on to the video, this is Victoria Island and this is the part where the traffic light has been installed. You could see the road is very clean, well tidy, neat and also well graded. These are interlocked road which has been done back in the year 2015 and they are all looking well and strong. This is around Eco Hotel side and this is also one of the most popular places around the Lagos Island. Just tell any boss you are going to Eco Hotel roundabout and you're definitely getting to this place without any issues. And if you're around here, you're trying to get to any other part of Lagos, you definitely get a bus to take you to your destination. Tell me what your thoughts are concerning this smart traffic light signal. Is it a good one? Is it what the government should invest more in putting in all areas of Lagos, or they should just stop it?